Highway 12 in Utah is fantastic on its own, but we're stopping at Lower Calf Creek Falls. It's Memorial Day weekend, so it is crowded. This 6-mile round-trip hike is ranked moderate in difficulty. Bring lots of water and snacks. The wildflowers are stunning. Hikers are charged $5 day use per vehicle, but is free with an America the Beautiful pass. The trail is sandy and rocky with challenging deep sand in places. The falls are 128 feet tall with a deep swimming hole beneath. The GPS coordinates are in the description along with a link to a more detailed video. See you on the next adventure.